Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop people from seeing when you view their profile on TikTok. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. This method works the same on both iPhone and Android. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. On your profile page, look at the top area and tap the icon that looks like two footprints. This section shows who has viewed your profile in the last 30 days. If this feature is enabled, people can also see when you visit their profile. Now, let's turn this feature off. From your profile, tap the menu icon and go into Settings and Privacy. Next, open the Privacy section. Scroll down until you find Viewers. Here, simply turn off the Profile View History switch. Once you disable this option, TikTok will stop tracking profile views. That means, when you visit someone else's profile, your name will no longer appear in their viewer list. Just keep in mind, when you turn this off, you also won't be able to see who views your own profile anymore. It's a trade-off between privacy and visibility. And that's it. Now you know how to stop people from seeing when you view their TikTok profile.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.